Good day, students! It's nice to see you again here. For today's topic, we have angles and its kind. Are you excited to learn something new? I am Ma'am Pichi, your teacher for mathematics. Kindly sit properly and listen. Before we start, let us begin with a silent prayer. Okay. At the end of this lesson, the students are expected to define an angle, illustrate the different kinds of angles. We have acute, right, and obtuse. Share one's construction of angle and construct angles using a protractor. Therefore, we need a protractor, paper, and pen for today. Before we start with our discussion, let us have first a quick review about subsets of the line. We have two subsets of the line, which are line segment and ray. What is the difference between line segment and ray? Okay, the difference between line segment and array is that a segment consists of two endpoints, while array consists of one endpoint and a continuous endless direction. Do you know what is an angle? And how does it form? Do angles have rays and endpoints? Do you want to know the answer? So listen carefully. Before we proceed with our discussion, let us have first a simple game, which is called Match Me. Match the rays with the same endpoint. Use line to match the rays. You only have 20 seconds for this activity. Are you ready? As you can see, we have different rays in your screen. You will look for the same endpoint and match them using a line. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Now, let us see if your answers are correct. Okay, ray AB will be connected to ray BC, ray XY to ray YZ, and ray CA to ray AT. Did you get it correct? Very good. Let us try putting them together using the common endpoint and forming it straightly. Then, what did you get? We form two collinear rays with a common endpoint but extend endlessly at opposite direction. And this is what we call a line. How about we try to bend it? Okay, then we form a small angle. Very good. So this is what we call angle. Our lesson for today is about angles. What is an angle? An angle is the union of two non-collinear rays with a common endpoint. So this is our rays and this is our common endpoint. From the angle, we also have vertex and side. Which is the vertex? The vertex is the common endpoint and our side is the two non-collinear rays which are sides XY and sides YZ. Angles have names too. We have angle ABC, I'm angle ABC, I'm angle XYZ, and angle CAT. In mathematics, we use this symbol. And also, angles have two regions. These are exterior, and we also have exterior regions. As you can see, it's the outside as the exterior and interior in the inside. The question is, how do we measure and construct angle? What device do we use? Okay, we are using a protractor. We also use the degree denoted by this circle, little circle there, as unit of measurement of angles. So, let us try measuring this one. It said 90 degrees, 30 degrees, and 167 degrees. How does it come with that measurement? We use a protractor, of course. Okay? We always start with a 0 and move and look for the line, so para alam natin yung, or we know the exact measurement. Okay, using a protractor, let us try constructing ang angle. 30, 45, 90, 120, and 175 degrees. Okay, 30 degrees is already made for you. Okay? You may pause this one and do your task. As you play this one, let us see if your answers are correct. Okay, we have this one for the 30 degrees, for the 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 120, and 170 degrees. Did you get the correct answers? Very good. So, let us discuss about kinds of angles. We have acute, right, and obtuse angle. Acute angles which measures greater than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees from the angles a while ago, which are the acute angles. Okay, very good. We have 30 degrees and 45 degrees. And right angles which measures exactly 90 degrees. Okay, which is the 90 degrees or the right angle. Okay, very good. Of course, the only one which is the 90 degrees. And we also have obtuse angles. When we say obtuse angles, it measures greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees, which is the obtuse angle. Okay, we have 120 degrees and 170 degrees. Okay, let us try determining which kind of angle is the following. 60 degrees is a acute angle. 155 is our obtuse. 95 is also an obtuse angle. And 90, of course, is right angle. And 60 will be acute. And 5 degrees is also a acute angle. Did you get it correct? Very good. Now, our discussion a while ago was about angles. And angles is the union of two non-collinear rays with common endpoint. And what are the three kinds of angles? We have acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle. Do you have any question? If you have any question, just message me. So, activity number 3. Given your knowledge about angles, I will show you a clock with no hands. Okay? Choose from the different kinds of angle, and by using the angle side as the clock's hand, show any time of the day. And after that one, you must answer the following question from the output that you made. Name of the angle, what are the sides and the vertex, label its accurate measurement, and what is the time in your clock. And also give the kind of angle. Ma'am made a sample for you. Ano po? Sample output. I made angle CHE. So, of course, I measure it by using a protractor and I answer the question. What is the name of the angle? Okay, it is angle CHE or E. And the sides and the vertex, I have side CH and side HE and vertex H. And its measurement is 143 degrees and it is an obtuse angle. And the time is 1:30 in the afternoon. Okay, I hope you learned something from me. And that's all for today. Angles and its kind. I hope you learned something. Just message me if you have any question. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.